Thanks for stopping by to see what I'm up to today. I, like others, have been considering getting a reel to put my coax on. A reel in this case is simply a spool with a handle to make winding up and unwinding the coax easy. I've been looking at a couple that are professionally manufactured and offered for sale, but man, I just can't pull the trigger. A couple of the radios I own have inspired me to do a little bit of 3D printing, and I 3D printed a few accessories. I figured I'd try my hand at printing one of these reels. That knob didn't come out so good, so I'm going to give it another try. In this case, second time's a charm, and it comes out fine. Let's put it together. The reel goes together easily enough without instructions. Depending on what you, or if you have a friend with a printer, prints it from, it's very durable. There's not a lot of play in the unit, just enough to get the job done. There are probably as many ways to wind coax and wire on reels and winders as there are types of coax. Take this opportunity to head on over to Printables or Thingiverse or any number of other 3D printing sites to find a device you're willing to use. I've always had good luck over there at either site. I'm gonna spend some time fussing around with this reel, trying to figure out how I want to wind it. Thanks for stopping by.